In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then you need to scroll down to click on Display. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Easy Mode, located under Screen Timeout, over here. And finally, to activate it, use gray switcher next to Easy Mode feature and wait. If you see that your text is now bold, that means that Easy Mode is on. Before exiting settings, scroll down and adjust those two options. Firstly, click on Touch and hold Delay. Now you can either apply one of those options or hit Custom at the bottom and adjust your touch and hold by following all of those instructions. Then hit Save at the bottom right corner. Go back, click on High Contrast Keyboard and pick one of those options. By clicking on a perfect one and going back, or turn it off or on using blue switcher or gray switcher at the top. When you finished, you can finally exit your settings. And as you can see, after that, Easy Mode was successfully enabled and adjusted. To go back from it, click on Settings again. Scroll down to access Display. Click on Easy Mode after scrolling down. And use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!